So a really cool thing about the bathroom is that the hot water all comes from geothermal hot springs from all around underneath Reykjavik. Peekaboo. You ready for today? Ooh. No, this is the stairs. So where are we going today?
I don't know.
Alright, let's go find out. First night parking in the garage. And this is gonna be the first time backing out of a parking spot with a stick car. So best of luck to me, I guess. Hey Carly, how we doing? Tired? This has been the longest hike we've done so far. Wow. Closer. Carly and I made it to the geothermal river. It's like a light gray blue, and you can feel the heat blowing over the water from right here. A little bit more to where we can jump in. Bah! You ready to walk through that geothermal mist up here? Yeah, baby! Look at that. We made it! Geothermal river. Okay, that was the most incredible thing in the world. This place is so warm. It's
Toasty.
Yeah, it's like 102 to 104 degrees. It's very hot. The hot spring is right up there, and it's coming right out of the mountain. It's awesome. All right, we're all finished up, so we're gonna head out. This was an incredible hike. This was an amazing experience. You guys all gotta come here one day. Yeah, that hike kicked our butts. That hike was a lot longer than we were expecting. Yeah, we got here at 10 a.m. and it's about 1:40 p.m. TripAdvisor lied to us. They said that it was gonna be a 2-kilometer hike total. Yeah, 1.24 miles total. And we have committed about 10 to 12 miles uphill and downhill. Is that Owen Wilson with dreads?
It's 2:51 in the morning, and neither Carly and I can sleep. So the only solution is Stranger Things.